The software design project aims to engage students in a real-world application of MATLAB, designing video games. Students need to apply their problem-solving ability, programming skills, and design skills in order to succeed. The possible games to be designed can range from simple card and dice games to more complex Battleship and Connect 4 games. In addition to design of the game, students will also need to make a project notebook, which consists of welcome page, project management documentation, business plan, and software documentation. This also exposes students to a real-world application in terms of building project documentation skill.
Hi, my name is Dylan Belt, and my duties for this project included game documentation, such as game instructions and MATLAB instructions. I was also in charge of the business plan, which includes sales pitches and other advertisement needs.
I'm Matt Riffle. My duties on the project included the development of the chip placement algorithm for Connect 4, the writing of the project schedule, and I also developed an additional game, Hangman, which included 3 difficulty levels and single and multiplayer modes.
My name is Kyle. In this software design project, I'm responsible for developing most parts of the Connect 4 game, with Matt's help on chip placement prompting and Dylan's assistance in instruction documentation.
The game our team chose for our SDP project is Connect 4. The object of Connect 4 is to get 4 chips in a row, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. There are 2 opposing players, red and black, which alternate turns. And each time you drop a chip, you can only drop vertically down columns of a 6x7 game board. Our Connect 4 game contains an efficient winning algorithm. This algorithm checks only possible wins when a marker is dropped for a win, not the entire board. The efficient winning algorithm allows for quick game response times. The algorithm works by checking for only possible wins when the marker is dropped for a win, such as at this location, at these locations, or at these locations. I will now provide a demo of our Connect 4 game. At the start screen, we can select I to see the game instructions. Next, we can select M to see the MATLAB-specific game instructions. Finally, we can select P to proceed to the game. We're given the choice between double and single player modes. Currently, only double player is supported. Now the game prompts black to enter the column in which they want to drop their chip, say 1. Next, the game prompts red to do the same, say column 3. The game includes checks for users possibly entering incorrect inputs. An error message is displayed. The game also includes checks for when the column fills up. As you can see on the prompt screen, column 1 is now full. The game continues until a player wins. The red player has now won. The game now includes an option to start another round or to quit.
There is also an Easter egg in our Connect 4 game. The hint is by entering some incorrect input at certain stage for consecutive times, a funny message will be displayed. It is up to you to discover more about our game.
There are multiple incentives for people to purchase and play Connect 4. First of all, this game is challenging enough to keep the player interested, but not so hard as to cause extreme frustration for the player. This ensures players will not get bored of this game too soon. Secondly, you can play against your friends in our player versus player mode and put your skills to the test. Also, this game lacks any adult themes, which makes this game appropriate, fun for all ages. Your whole family can get in on fun. Finally, While this game may seem like mind-numbing fun, it actually teaches you basic logical thinking as you play it. There are also multiple reasons why this game is a smart investment. First of all, the basic design makes it easier to integrate Connect 4 into different gaming platforms. Gaming platforms encompass things like Xbox, PlayStation, PC, iOS, Android, Kindle, etc. Secondly, since the game is locally played, the player versus player is on one system. This allows people without constant internet access to purchase and play the game, therefore allowing people without internet access to be part of our demographic. Also, the market for child-friendly games won't be going anywhere anytime soon due to the constant increase in demand for new games. These comments mentioned previously mean this game will mean serious money for any potential investors.